So when you unbox your Digi scale, you're going to have this nifty little item sitting somewhere in it. You're going to want to set this aside. This little piece is kind of important. This is your head cleaner. And I will unbox this and show you how to set it up. So stay tuned. Okay, so a couple different pieces to this package. Let's slide this back cardboard out. You can do it upside down, and that keeps some of the little pieces in. So, and we'll just dump this out on the table. So you've got a bottle of cleaning solution, a little felt pad. This is a spare piece. Use that as a replacement, and then the head cleaner itself. So basically, it's a pen. And right there you see you've got the little felt pad. Now, what you can do is if you just, and you should wash your hands first, but pull this felt piece out. And we'll set that aside. Then, take the top off your little cleaner bottle. And if you put that in, and then you can just squirt some of the cleaner into the pen. And then just replace the felt piece. And now basically you have a cleaning pen until you run out of the fluid, in which case you can just pull that out, add more. So what I like to do is just add a little bit more to the tip. So it gives it a good smooch. Let it start to wick up. Put the cap on. Okay, you want to make sure you're going to leave the cap on from now on, unless you're cleaning the head. We're going to show you how to clean the head in a second. But wanted to show you how to prepare the pen. So save that little bitty nub that came off the top, so you can put that back on. Helps keep the fluid from evaporating. And you keep everything nice and tidy. Your envelope. And keep that somewhere where you know where it is, because you're going to need it from time to time. Okay, we set up the camera, and then we will show you how to clean the printhead. Okay, so now you're ready to clean the printhead. So, it's a very simple process. First, you're going to open your label door. Open this up. And you're going to stretch your labels out, just kind of get them out of the way. You're going to have to do that anyway. And I'm going to get some light for you. Right in here. And if you look, this little strip right here, a little black strip, and I'm going to zoom in. We'll see if we can catch that for you. There we go. So again, this little strip right here looks like a little piece of glass. You're going to want to clean that. And then here, on this piece, in particular this little ramp, you're going to see where you'll get some glue built up. Now this happens on the linerless scales. It doesn't happen on the traditional labels because there's a backing paper that captures any of the glue. This doesn't have backing paper on it. Again, it's linerless. But it's very simple. You just take your pen, your little cleaning pen, and by the way, this you can use alcohol. If you lose this pen, you can use regular isopropyl rubbing alcohol. Don't ever use nail polish remover or any other commercial cleansers. Just plain old rubbing alcohol. And just take the pen and just gently rub it on the glass. A little piece there. And then where you see where there's some glue, just take that. Just gently rub. You don't have to press hard. Takes that glue right off. And you just kind of run it up through this way. Like that. And then on the face just in front of the glass, right in there, and that's where you're, and that should do it. We'll move the light out of the way. We'll back you folks up a bit. And so now we'll just Make sure the labels are out. Shut the door. Again, gently make sure it clicks into place. And then you can print a couple test labels. Hit your feed button. And we'll just... And that's it. You're done.